With all of the good news coming from KTM, rider signings on the 450 side of Eli Tomac and Jorge Prado, from the 250 side and Julien Beaumer, we have some of the negative news. Now, if you remember back in the SMX playoffs in September, he sustained a burst fracture in his back, and as of right now, as I'm reading this, looking at this, whatever, he has completely ruled out Supercross for 2026. Whether that's, doctor's orders or just being, smart and safe about it, just taking the full time to heal, it's probably not the worst idea in the world. We do have a quote from him saying, "My back is doing extremely well. Therapy has gone extremely well, and I'm in a really good spot. So thankfully, Dr. G's been killing it. All his staff, everyone has really done an incredible job with therapy, and I'm happy with where I'm at. So thankfully, we're in a good spot, status, happy, enjoying watching these guys, and just trying to be there for the team and help everyone out, trying to almost take another role while I'm out." I mean, it kind of sucks for KTM. I mean, you already have him under contract. I mean, obviously, you're not going to be paying any bonuses or whatever, so that's a little bit of money savings. We all know that they don't have the best financial security at the moment. Let's go that way. And especially signing Prado, Plessinger, and Tomac to the 450 side of things. It's big money there, but it is kind of suck to see, or I guess not see, a KTM in the 250 side. Obviously with Vial, who would have had to move up anyways, moving over to MXGP. So it's just him, I think, on the 250 squad. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if he's not going to be racing Supercross at all, just no 250 KTM out there. He did continue to say, quote, "So as of return, the plan is to return to outdoors. We've completely ruled out Supercross as a whole. We've made that decision pretty early on in my recovery, so we don't want to rush it, and we want to make sure that my back is 110% before I return. So the goal is to return it outdoors." I mean, honestly, that's probably pretty smart. He said, quote, "I think being that lone guy and having all that on me is why I thrived in Supercross and why I think it's good for me to be a lone rider and have everything put on my back and perform." I guess that is about the 250 side of things. Obviously, he had a pretty good year. I mean, obviously, being competitive, being up front, racing competitively against Deegan, being a factor in the championship. And it's going to suck to see him not in Supercross again, but it's smart. I mean, to an injury like that, and you got to figure, yes, this is a very short career, but also you have to figure after your short career, you still have the rest of your life. And if you destroy your body in, the first 2 or 3 years of racing, it's only going to get worse and worse and worse. But so for him, this is a pretty, I'd say, mature move to not try and push himself back too early, possibly re-injure himself or just not be, at the level he needs to. But sucks to see. Obviously, you never want to get injury news, especially something continuing from last season, taking into this season. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comment down below. Are you excited for Eli Tomac signing? Are you excited for the Chase Sexton switch, the Jorge Prado switch, the Anderson switch, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.